Welcome. Here's how you can format seamless regional numbers and dates through Formatted Numbers Smart Column app features. It automatically converts input data of both date and number to the correct format, reducing errors. It also ensures the numerical data and date is in a standard format for accurate calculations. It improves sort accuracy by using standard date and number formats. It ensures data is consistently formatted across records. Example: whenever you enter any value in the numbers column, it activates the trigger and changes the entered number format into a configured one. Here, it has formatted the number value by separating thousand by space and decimal value with comma. Alright, let's get started with the setup instructions. First, you'll need to go to either the text or long text column. These are the only columns where you can install this app. Next, click the three dots next to the text column, then click on Column Extension. After that, click on Formatted Numbers. Finally, configure the settings as needed. You can choose which column you want to format, either date or number. Here's a quick step to set up the date format. Select Date on Columns to format. Now select the formatting rules. You can select any format. Now we are selecting the day-month-year format. Then choose the trigger to activate this setting. You can choose any one of these triggers. For now, we are choosing the date column is changed. Now click on Save and refresh the page. Whenever you change the date column, it activates the trigger and sets the standard format for displaying the date in day-month-year format. Let's go back to configuring the number format. Go back to step where you can choose columns to format as numbers. Select in which format you want to display entered numbers. There are multiple options in the drop-down. For example, we are choosing comma as decimal separator and space as thousand separator. Choose the trigger to activate the formatted number. You can activate with several triggers like different column is changed, item created, item moved to any group, column changed, status changed to something. Example setup. Change date is changed as numbers column. Click Save, now refresh the page. Whenever you enter numbers in any format on numbers columns, it will automatically format the entered number and display the result on the formatted value text column where comma will be as decimal separator and space as thousand separator. Get it now on Monday at Marketplace.